In this video, we'll see how we can set minimum order amount in WooCommerce. Like currently, I've set minimum amount order amount should be $100, but here I've added product of only $34. So here you can say warning, and I can't even able to place the order if I try to. So we have set it. So let's see how we can set the minimum order amount in WooCommerce. Let's go. Here, first log into admin dashboard of WordPress. Here I am logged in. Now I will install plugin to set up minimum order amount and set up it. Okay. So the plugin we need to install is order minimum maximum amount for WooCommerce. We will set up it as per requirement. So let's go. Here you can see order minimum maximum amount for WooCommerce install. Now plugin is installed. We will set up it. For that we need to go to WooCommerce, click on setting, and here you can see order minimum maximum. Click on it. Now here by default it is enable. If it is not enable, you need to enable it. So we want to set only minimum amount. For now I don't want to set maximum amount, suppose that, and we want it to some amount type will be sum, like total amount. There are different type option you can set on based on quantity, weight, volume, but I want to only set on sum of amount, like 500 400 rupees. Okay. Now requirement, login requirement, I don't want this feature, order total. Okay. You can set some option like maximum monthly validate, maximum amount, click on add to cart. So you can set, but we just want to set for minimum amount on checkout page. Now go click on amounts. Here we will set how much amount. I want to set suppose $100. Okay, I want to set that the minimum purchase amount should be $100. Then only you can buy product through website, and it will also show notification for it. For that you can to click on messages. Here you can see display message event the cart is empty, leave it, display one message for each unmet requirement. So we have sent one requirement, that the minimum amount. Here if you want to display on cart also, then enable it. If you want to display on mini cart, then enable it. I think you leave it. Now here checkout notice. Here importantly you need to display on checkout page. Okay, if you want to change the message like you must an order minimum amount to be placed, you can change the order message also from here. So everything is set up as per requirement. We have set minimum amount to 100 rupees. Let's say 100. We have set minimum amount to $100. Let's say if it is working and not. Here in my cart, when I go to cart, here you can see only product is of 34.9 is added. So I need to add, here you can see you must order a minimum of 100 to place your order. The current total is this. If even I go to checkout, here I also got the notification, and if I try to place the order, it will be not placed. I must add product above $100. Let's try to add it. Now here you can see product is of $104 plus. So here no message is showing. When I go to checkout page, there you can see no message is showing, and I can easily place my order without any issue. Okay, if you even want to show message, here my order is placed. For that you can add minimum total amount, that minimum order amount in WooCommerce. There are some other feature of this plugin. If you want, you can see from here, like you can set by user role, product, shipping, payment gateway, currency, coupon. There are multiple options. You can share bridge option as per your requirement. Okay, but we only want to share the minimum order amount, so we have set it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my